Yop yang ki Kristan ha China ya ka Bible ha kasien ka baningkong. Kumba shispa lai po million ngut ki Kristan kila don ha China hadu menta. Bat kat banang mi gisngi kila nang roy kat banang sha sitom. Kumba long menta la kambuan ki Kristan banyak ki dekot ke sorkar komunis ha China. Jing ban ben jong ke sorkar ki Kristan ha China hadu kini gisngi nang yai peteng. Bentau benai ke China kala sedang sendon. Ka jing Pynkylla ya ka Bible ka kilenong bat kit khod. Bat kala weng no e kit khod ke bala ban kata e ka jihikai ka sarkar China. Ang kanuksa ka way na ka higher secondary school ha China. Sarkar kala Pynkylla ya kalenong na ka gospel Yohanes ka bakren sapang ka jing penrem ya ka Maria Magdalena. Ka kitin pareng kalong kumni.
Jesus once said to the angry crowd who was trying to stone a woman who had sinned, "He who is without sin among you, let him cast a stone at her." When his words came to their ears, they stopped moving forward. When everyone went out, Jesus stoned the woman himself and said, "I am also a sinner."
Jing Roy State jong jing Kristan ka wan lam ya Jingtieng jing Smith ha president ka China Xi Jinping. Yok ka kelalong ka buor wele persya ya Communist Party. Day nakatakadaw wa bon kontrol haduk ane kan penduk jat ka jing Kristan. Andrei ki Kristan na China Jingtieng satya kila ong penban baka sarkar komunis ka yele persya yaw nong shun bakin sa syara. Kublai shibo.